Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 XV Crosstrek. This all-new four-wheel drive crossover by Subaru fills that spot for a vehicle with true outdoor capabilities, which is comfortably home driving to soccer practice too. The all-wheel drive XV Crosstrek pulls in the best parts of the award-winning Impreza and adds the details to give this crossover a bit of style among a sea of boring. And since it's a Subaru, you know the XV Crosstrek is built to last and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, front floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel ABS. Come see the car for yourself.